Hey! What was that sound?
Okay, well, here we are. Got Andrea, I got the dogs, and we are going off-roading in the Jeep for the first time ever, right? How do you feel? She's absolutely terrified. So let's put it in four-wheel high.
Why am I terrified, Jason?
I don't know, why?
Look behind, look in front of you.
We got a little bit of bumps and stuff coming up, so.
There's rocks, there's big hills. This car, I don't know the suspensions. I'm not gonna turn because that's not my good side. So I'm not turning towards that side. This
Here we go.
Wait, no. Okay. There's like big rocks. There's big rocks. The dogs are terrified. No, this is not good. This is not good. Stop. Oh my God. I don't want to go. It's good. Oh my God, Jason. I don't want this. Oh my God. There's professional cars that are going through here. We're amateurs. This car is not ready yet for this type of stuff. There's no good suspensions. It's stock suspension.
It's a Jeep though. I mean, it's kind of made for this stuff.
And there's more cars coming down. And they're real equipped for this type of stuff.
Are you having fun?
No. Look, that's how we're supposed to look like. We look like idiots. See, they don't have the side wings and you know what I'm saying? And the tires are professional tires. My God. I'm so stressed. Oh my God, this is horrible. There's another car here. These people are going like 100 miles per hour on these. Oh my God, if something pops. Oh. No.
So the goal is to get towards the end of this trail. There is kind of a big clear lookout, and the idea is just to kind of go and isolate ourselves, for an hour or so and let the dogs run.
Go slowly, slow down. Where are you gonna go now? There's nowhere to go.
And this is also a good chance for Andrea to understand some of the capabilities of her Jeep. But it's a 1998 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, the V6, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission. This thing is a tank, and she's never quite experienced anything like this.
How about the dogs? The dogs are not having a good time.
Do they like it?
No. They're being bounced around. Zeg is trying to sit. my god. Oh my god.
To be honest, it's probably a good idea to use some of this Jeep suspension. You know, for the most part, what
was that sound?
a rock. We want to use some of this suspension, you know, get everything lubricated and just make sure everything's working right.
Oh my god! Oh, don't go this way. Oh my god! Oh god! Oh, poor car. Where's that ending that you were talking about?
We're maybe halfway there.
Poor Jurgen.
They love it, I think.
Oh.
We're almost there. For those of you that don't know, this is Tahuya State Forest, I think, in Washington. Kerrigan's having a good time.
Yeah, definitely. Something breaks on the Jeep. Which way is it, left or right?
I don't remember. We'll try this way.
Trail crossing. Nice trees. How does it feel?
Feels fine.
Like we're driving on a normal road?
Well,
It doesn't sound like
no,
that.
I mean, this is a...
Don't go through water because we don't have the doors stoppers,
Oh, yeah.
the floor stoppers, so we
Have to
can
put your
get
foot over
flooded.
put your foot over the hole if we go over any water. I don't think there's
Good
much
catch
water
for
here.
me. Good catch for me.
Oh, here we go.
What?
Just a little bit of mud.
Put your foot over. Okay, left. Going down. Purple. What does it mean? Purple.
Where's purple?
Purple. Is that bad?
No,
Is
I
that
think it's good.
a challenging sight?
Purple might be easy.
Mm.
All right, here we go. Now we're in a little bit of thick bush. This is looking a little more familiar. When I came down here in the Raptor was just way too wide.
Is there any animals here?
You know, I think because of all the dirt bikes and cars that run through here,
Uh-huh.
I think it probably scares most of the animals away.
There's more cars coming. Which way is it, right or left?
I don't know. We'll go down
Look at
that
that
way.
weird car. broke his car, man.
He's just looking at the tires.
This is dangerous, Jason.
Ah, yeah, we're almost there. And if you'll notice, he wasn't in a Jeep. Which way you want to go? This way?
Oh my God, this is dangerous here. Very dangerous. Ay, Divine, Jeep. Stay with me. What does it say on top of the purple?
No motorized vehicles outside of trail.
There's a car coming. Did you see it? Why didn't you wait? Big water. Bye, Devine. We're not
This is
going
it.
through that.
Oh, this is the spot.
It's flooded.
Oh,
It's
it's a
flooded.
lake. This is where I wanted to take the dogs. This is it.
This is a lake. Oh. I don't like this. There's no more multiple ATVs.
Well,
We can't let them out yet. Where are you going?
we can back up there. All right, we made it. How do you feel?
I feel nothing.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy though, right?
Yeah.
We can let them out. They're young people.
Okay.
We're all dog friendly here. Okay, cool. I think that's it. We might show you a little around out here, but we're just gonna hang out with the dogs and try to relax.
Hey, let me get you another one. This jump again. Hey, put it down. Put it down.
Look at this crazy donuts in the water. He's on like 40-inch tires or something, probably. Wow. Well, I think this was a successful outing. Definitely practicing some serious social distancing right now. We're just gonna have fun, throw the stick for the dogs and stuff. Try to stay out of the way of you know, the big vehicles. But Anyways, yeah, the All-American Driver, thanks for watching. Be safe. Try to get some fresh air if you can, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Hey babe, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Peace.